For the first time in India's history, we have an Adivasi woman president of India. जब लोग कहते हैं कि डेमोक्रेसी इज अंडर थ्रेट, मैं उनको एक जवाब देना चाहता हूं। एक साधारण व्यक्ति जो एक रेलवे पटरी पर चाय बेच रहा था, आज दुनिया का सबसे बड़ा लोकतंत्र का प्रधानमंत्री है। का साफ मतलब है कि भारत का लोकतंत्र मजबूत है, भारत का संविधान मजबूत है। सर, इन मेनी वेज लाइफ हैज कम फुल सर्कल, because in 1977, 47 years ago, the late Bala Saheb Thackeray supported my late father to become mayor of Mumbai's financial capital, Mumbai. And today, 47 years later, at the age of 47, I'm disclosing my age, the president of the Shiv Sena, Mr. Eknath Shinde ji, the Chief Minister of Maharashtra, has enabled me to represent Mumbai, Maharashtra and India through the Shiv Sena in the Rajya Sabha. Sir, I am returning to Parliament after exactly a decade, and a lot has changed. For one, we are in a very impressive new building. For the first time in India's history, we have an Adivasi woman president of India, and we have a leader who hails from a very, very humble background. जब लोग कहते हैं कि डेमोक्रेसी इज अंडर थ्रेट, मैं उनको एक जवाब देना चाहता हूं कि द फैक्ट दैट एक साधारण व्यक्ति जो एक रेलवे पटरी पर चाय बेच रहा था, आज दुनिया का सबसे बड़ा लोकतंत्र का प्रधानमंत्री है, उसका साफ मतलब है कि भारत का लोकतंत्र मजबूत है, भारत का संविधान मजबूत है। इन महाराष्ट्र टू सर, द चीफ मिनिस्टर, a very simple auto rickshaw driver. We have auto rickshaws in a certain part of Mumbai. A auto rickshaw driver rose to become the chief minister of the country's second largest state, the most industrialized state. This means for someone who is young and is watching us today that our democracy is in fact stronger than ever before. So many people, my former colleagues who are not here today, who I'm sure when their chance comes to speak and through the public domain have been analyzing the Lok Sabha results in many, many ways. But the fact remains, as few people before me have pointed out, that Narendra Modi ji is only the second Indian to be sworn in as Prime Minister of India for 3 consecutive terms. The first being Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru exactly 62 years ago in 1962. In fact, something which has not been said before me, for the sake of not being repetitive, to give this House a sense of how high anti-incumbency levels are around the world. And this is due to a variety of factors. There is a growing aspirational, demanding voter. Social media is playing a role in making people more impatient. Demographic transitions are underway. In the last 10 years alone, Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji has seen, and I will count down, 6 Prime Ministers of Pakistan, 5 Prime Ministers of the UK,
Please.
4 Presidents of Sri Lanka, 3 Presidents of the USA, 2 Presidents of France, and finally, after Sushma Swaraj ji, after a decade, 1 Leader of Opposition in the Lok Sabha. So, sir, मोदी जी का अभी भी पूरा 5 साल का कार्यकाल बाकी है, और इसीलिए मैं एकनाथ शिंदे जी की ओर से, शिवसेना की ओर से, महाराष्ट्र की ओर से माननीय प्रधानमंत्री जी को अपने दिल की गहराइयों से बधाई देना चाहता हूं। उनकी सरकार के सभी सदस्यों को बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं देना चाहता हूं।